So today's topic would be choti copy or your 20th notebook and how to use the best of it. See, maximally we are actually making just a notebook और ऐसी कितनी कॉपीज़ ख़त्म हो जाती है बनाते हुए एंड वी डोंट सी इट. इसका मेन एसेंस, दिस इज़ योर क्रिएशन, दिस इज़ एंटायरली वट एवर इज़ योर नेम, इट्स योर पर्सनलाइज्ड creation which is best suited for you. This is for you, this is by you, and this is the ultimate thing which is gonna help you. So make it like your entire preparation is dependent on it. Now how to make it? See, suppose you study from a subject, you start studying OBGY, let's say. Now the part which you know, which you have imbibed throughout your MBBS, and the concepts you know, those are the core concepts that are a part of you. आप उससे अलग नहीं हो सकते, है ना? That are a part of you. Whatever, if you read it after 1 month also, you would be fresh with it. So this is very personalized कि मेरे लिए what is the part that I know very well, that is the concept, right? And then there is something which is very volatile, which I need to study day in day out, day in day out. और जब मैं इन दोनों को साथ लेके चलूँगी, if taken both of them together, OBGY is sorted. तो ये वोलाटाइल मटेरियल ही तो है जो हमें उस सब्जेक्ट को लैग करा देता है. इफ़ आई स्टडी OBGY लाइक आई एम द बेस्टेस्ट पर्सन इन OBGY ऑन day 1, I have studied so thoroughly, but on day 10 when I have studied few other subjects, I am not that confident in that because this volatile part is missing. So that volatile material needs to go into your choti copy and needs to be seen again and again, and how to go about it, how to frame it, how to form keywords, that is the essence of it. So make this resource to the maximum of your use.